outside today. We are opening the box. So what's in the box? Let's see. I ordered some parts. Even I don't know what all things I ordered. It was ordered 6 months ago. So this is my babes sitting here, right here. And let's start opening the stuff. So first package. Don't be shaky. So I have only one bike right now. This one. I sold the RSV4, which I already told in previous video. And if lens is getting foggy, that means it's humidity. Right now humidity is crazy, and this knife is fucking big. Yo, this is the toolbox. Oh yeah, I ordered it for the front wheel. Because you know, the front wheel has the Allen key one to open it. So let's see, we will check here. This is a very cheap one. So right now you can see it. Talking about this one, so I cannot talk it. That's the issue. So what normally people do, they use the big Allen key and they just tight it randomly. I don't like that, so I'm gonna talk it. So that's why I ordered the Allen key complete set of wrench, so I can torque it down my front wheel and not crash, basically. So let's throw this stuff down, and let's throw this stuff down, and let's open it. Open it. I think so. It's like this. Yep. Ooh, cool stuff. So the big ones, I want to see it. This is the biggest, I think. Feels good quality. What's in the other box? Let's see. So all this package came from the Armix, so I cannot ship it directly to Qatar, so I have to use it via Armix, most of the package, which is the shipping company. So I have to pay extra, basically, you can say, to get my stuff here. So most of the stuff is not available here. So inside the box, oh yep, RSV4 blocker plates, engine blocker plates. This is pretty nice, feels really good. Okay, there's a close it down, and there's an instruction. No, I'm not going to use it right now if I don't have an RSV4, so I'm going to keep it away. More boxes. Let's open them. What's inside this box? This all stuff was ordered 6 months ago. In 6 months, you can say. Basically, till that time I was out of the country, and I just randomly ordered some few parts for my RSV4. I was not planning to sell it, but I want the factory edition. So let's see. What's this? What's this? It came from Godzilla. Not really. What? The cartoon. I need fucking better knife for sure. Oh, that's my more than a circuit straw. I'll show you on the video, but holy wow. Holy shit, man, it looks cool as fuck. I was not imagining to do that. Nice. Wow. I love it. I fucking love it. So we are back with more stuff. So let's start with the small packages and let's see. I think there's a cable for the injector cleaner. I will tear it like this. Yep, this is for the injector cleaner. So order an injector cleaner. I'm tired of that. Yeah. Oh shit, I hate that stuff. What is this stuff? Okay, go ahead. What's in this stuff? I think this is also cable for the injector cleaner. Oh, this is my hairband for my handbag. So I use it inside my handbag to keep my hair not to get very wet. So yep, so keep it right in. I'm going to use it right now. I need it. Let's open this one. What's inside this? Okay, how to open it? There's some stuff inside. Okay, how is this? Okay, this is a side stand for my tunnel. Once I want to lower it because this is a race bike and it's very hard to keep it under control. Whenever I'm doing really hard acceleration, front will come up at any cost. So I put the belt. There's a belt, Brock's belt, but still front wheel is very hard to keep it down, and it's lowered by 1 inch. So I'm going to lower it a little bit more to keep it not to wheelie at all. I don't want to do wheelie half of the time. This is not the very expensive or very fancy side stand. It's I bought it very cheap. It should do the job. Done. Okay. Okay, so I can adjust it according to that, I think. So I will check later on. Feels very good quality. Not bad, not bad. So a lot of things are going to get secret sauce on my channel. Oh, come on. Okay, this is for the injector cleaning. We're going to try it out and see how it performs. I think this is Sina 50s because I ordered it when it was released, and my 30s got fucked up. The volume button, it's not working because it got wet in the rain, and somehow it decided to fuck on me. So I cannot change the song, I cannot adjust the volume. So that's why I'll replace it with 50s. Yep, that's 50s for sure. So review is going to come soon. Yep, finally it's right here. Sina 50s, and this is the garbage. So throw this. Holy crap, looks pretty. So I'm going to do 50s review, and I'm going to show you my helmet setup too. So yep, what's inside this? Let's see, I don't even remember, to be honest. going to be a surprise for me also. And let's open it. Ooh, 2 boxes. Okay, that's for my paint protecting kit. So this is clay bar. So I'm going to clay my car or bike. So I like to keep my paint in very good condition. So I like to clay my bike. Maybe I will make a one video how to keep the paint very good condition. This is a 4 years old bike now, and you can still see the spark, and the paint is still, there's no scratch at all. This is completely symmetric coating and everything is done to this bike. But now it's almost 4 years, so I'm going to do again the clay and all the things, and then I'm going to do symmetric coating one more time. And I think I'm going to change a lot of parts in carbon fiber too, so maybe I have to change it to the symmetric coating. So that's all, boy, guys. I hope you like it. This is a very small video of opening the boxes, what's inside the box, you know. So if you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Peace out and take care, guys.